Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where I post every Monday and Thursday. In today's design news, we are looking at an amazing new Figma update, a Google design project which is driving people crazy, color of the year has been announced, and much more. So without further ado, let's just get started with today's design news. Before we begin, I'm hosting a special end of the year live stream where we'll discuss the future of design in 2021, new and upcoming tools, and much more. So if you don't want to miss out that live stream, then go in the link in the description and click on set reminder. Otherwise, if you don't, you might just miss the live stream and all the fun. So to begin with, Pantone has announced its color of the year. Now this year's color of the year is Ultimate Grey. They've showed a few pairings on how you can use this grey color, and to be honest, it looks great. And this year they're pairing it with a very special color called Illuminating Yellow, and it kind of differentiates it from the Ultimate Grey that they've selected. This means we are gonna see a lot of greys and yellows being used in 2021. Now the next news is actually very exciting for me because I've always been interested in augmented reality technologies and how designers can use these technologies. My Web AR is a new tool which allows you to create three-dimensional assets as well as two-dimensional assets in an AR environment. It's like a complete studio where you can be importing 3D objects, and it lets you add interface objects like a menu or a card with information about that object. And it looks as if you can create an almost industry-ready AR experience using this amazing tool. All these tools this year are so cool, and I'm so excited to use this and maybe even showcase it on the channel. The next news is from Google. Yes, Google has introduced something called Blob Opera. These are just blobs of jelly which you kind of touch around or drag around to create your own opera music. But it really showcases how creativity can inculcate such amazing music, sound design, and interaction design. So UX design doesn't always have to be something which is useful. It could be something which is just creative. I am going to be quiet and I'm going to let you see what this opera is all about. Now in the market, there are so many background remover tools. There's Remove BG, which was one of the first tools to come out, but Icons 8 questioned that ability and actually is bringing you a free tool which allows you to remove background from anything. And the best part, the most interesting part, is that it can remove background from a translucent or a transparent object as well. Yes, how crazy does that sound? It has alpha channels. That means if you have a car and the car has a window and in the background there's something, it will remove the background from that window. Whoa, Figma, curb your self-development. Figma has been going on a streak. Every 2-3 weeks they bring new features, which is crazy. Last week we actually got scroll to trigger. That means if I click on a button and I want the button to scroll me towards the bottom of the screen, or a button which says scroll to top, I can now do it. If I click on that button, it'll scroll to a certain position or a certain anchor that I want. Yes, it is now here. We've seen this in Adobe XD. This was really missing in Figma experiences, but now they have this feature and I think you should go try it out, have some fun. Maybe I'll create a tutorial and have some fun around with it. Now, nobody expected that a new 3D design library would come up. Yes, I'm talking about 3D illustrations, which you all love so much. There is a new 3D library called Character. These are very versatile. I love how there are so many actions incorporated. They're cute. They get the message across, and I think they will fit well in any UI design possible. You can get a sample to, kind of check out with your new UIs or something that you're not working on commercially. You can try out these 3D designs on your own for free as well. Talking about illustrations, there's this new set of illustrations which I think is very unique and very powerful because it communicates so much. It's a set of 20 clean illustrations. These are available for Sketch, Figma, Adobe Illustrator, EPS, SVG, and a lot of other formats as well. So if you want something for your next web design or even UI design project, I think you should check this out. It's very unique, it's very different, and I really like it. That was it for design news this week. Make sure that you check out my live stream, which is coming up this Saturday at 9:30 p.m. There will be a link in the description to sign up for that. All you need to do is click on the link in the description, say set reminder. That's it. There'll be a button, click on set reminder, and that's it. Forget about it. You'll get notified before I am live on Saturday, and make sure you attend that because we'll be having some special guests also on board. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, God bless.